Dee Fink. Welcome to this online course. We're delighted to have you in it. In this brief video, I want to share some general thoughts with you about three topics. First, the reasons why this might be a valuable learning experience for you. Two, some comments on how we put this course together. And three, what are some things you can do to make sure this is a high-quality learning experience for you. First, why is it important for us to learn how to design our courses properly? Think about this from the point of view of your students. Every time they take a course, they have a learning experience. They experience things, both in class and out of class. As you know from your own experience as a student and from the experiences of your students, sometimes that learning experience is powerful. Students learn things that make a big difference in their lives, and they're excited about that. Unfortunately, at other times, that's not true. They go through the course and don't learn anything that really excites them or makes a difference in their lives. If we are teachers who care about the quality of our students' learning experience, and if you're in this course, you are one of those teachers, then we have to answer two questions. First, what do we mean by a powerful learning experience? That is, how can we describe the kind of learning experiences that would constitute a powerful, significant learning experience? And second, once we answer that first question, then we have to figure out how to create our courses so that our students have that powerful kind of learning experience. This course is going to give you strong, direct answers to both those questions, so that when you finish, you will know how to create more powerful learning experiences for your students. That's why we think this is an important topic to learn about. Second, I want to share some ideas, some information with you about how we put this course together. When I first started creating the course, I just created materials that students could read and think about and create some course designs on their own by themselves. That has value in three ways. It gives students new information and ideas. It gives them a chance to create some things for their courses. It gives them a chance to reflect on it. And this course will have all those opportunities. But that by itself leaves out some important other kinds of learning experiences. As I learned more about creating online courses and thought about my own beliefs about teaching and learning, I realized there were two other important pieces that we needed to add to the course. One was a chance to dialogue with other people about these ideas, and the second is a chance to get feedback on the quality of your own work, your own course design efforts. So we have built into this course opportunities for you to do that. That's why we put the people in taking this course into groups of 6 to 8 people with a feedback facilitator. That is someone who's trained in these ideas on course design who can give you high-quality feedback on your work. So this course will have those, and that's the way it's going to work now. The final topic is what you can do to make sure you have a high-quality learning experience. There are 4 things that I think you can do. First, you want to make sure you can put in the amount of time necessary for this course. My estimate is that will be about 2 hours per week for the next few months. Sometimes, some months, some weeks that might be a little less, some weeks a little more, but 1 to 2 to 3 hours every week for the next several weeks. If you can make this course a high priority and make sure you can put in some high quality time of that amount, that should be enough to get the course done properly. Second, you also need to be sure that you are open to new ideas on teaching and learning. You're going to read some ideas. You're going to hear some ideas from other people that are going to challenge your ideas. When this happens, you need to make sure you're open to the new ideas. And if they look better, accept them and change your old beliefs. After all, this is the only way anybody can learn and grow, is to be open to new ideas. And that needs to happen in this course as well. The third thing you need to do is make sure you take advantage of the opportunities in the course to dialogue with other people. This is going to be other students and the feedback facilitator. I can almost guarantee that of the many powerful learning moments that you have in this course, some of them are not going to come from the content, but from the dialogue you have with other teachers, other users, and the teacher of your course. Take advantage of that. That's going to be a rich resource for you. And finally, make sure you take the advantage of the feedback that you're going to get from other users and from the feedback facilitator about the quality of your work. Don't be defensive. If they say, I think this can do better, I think you can do better, I think you can improve this, take that seriously and see if there is a way you can find to make your quality of work better. That's the value of feedback, showing us how what we're doing is good, but also how we can make it better. If you can do those 4 things, put in the right amount of time, be open-minded, engage in the dialogue opportunities, and listen carefully to the feedback, you're going to have a very powerful experience. And if you do that, you're going to be a very different kind of teacher 4 months from now. You're going to be able to design courses that your students find to be a powerful, significant learning experience. And that's going to make a big difference in the lives of your students. It's also, I think, you'll find, it's going to make a big difference in your life as a teacher. Teacher is going to be more fun, more exciting, and more rewarding if you can do that. So I wish you the best of luck in this course, and again, I thank you very much for joining us.